What you doing? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Good morning, Kara. Good morning. Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good too? Huh? You want to get up or you want to... Oh, we want to go back. Shh. Who's under there? Is Connor's laying there with Naughty Joey? Oh, they're buddies. Joey likes Connor a little bit. I'm still trying to get his collar back on. Naughty Joey. I had to take his collar off real quick so I didn't get bit. Put his new Montgomery County dog tag on. I put his dog tag on, and then I'm having trouble slipping it back on his neck when he's not noticing me. Joey's naughty. He shows me all his teeth, don't you, Joey? You smile at your mama every day. You smile with all your teeth showing, 'cause you're just that kind of a dog. I didn't want a Chihuahua, but I ended up with one. Long story, but I love him. He walks in grace. You were shown mercy. You were shown mercy. You got something you didn't deserve, didn't you? This one's great. Look at her. Boy, you can love on her, rub on her, pet her, take her collar off, put her in a bathtub. She doesn't care. She's a good girl. She's a good dog. We'll visit Kona a little bit later. Kona's still on kennel rest from his surgery. Grandma says, gathering place.